Cubs have lost 4 in a row, but that's all right. We're still going. We got 27 wins. Still number 1 in the division for now. You put one piece of bread down, you put something in the middle, and then you put another piece of bread on top. Nice and simple. Now, you can put a lot of stuff on a sandwich. Bread, meat, chicken wings, cheese, flaming hot Cheetos, pickles, tomatoes, bacon, ham, turkey. I am really craving a certain type of sandwich right now. Most people would call it a BLT, but I don't like it the way the standard BLT is done. Here's how I do it, and you cannot like it, I don't care. It is good stuff. It's called a beck. Now normally on a BLT you would have bacon, lettuce, and tomato. It's alright, the flavors are okay. I don't like lettuce on a sandwich though. I like to toast the bread. That's where you get your crunch. You don't need no cheap iceberg lettuce in the middle. Just toast the bread, some bacon, and now you're gonna go ahead and put down a tomato, and now you're gonna put an egg. Now I did this all in the wrong order because that's not the way the acronym goes. Just a fried egg, a regular fried egg, throw that on there, and then go ahead and put some barbecue sauce, your favorite barbecue sauce on there, maybe even a slice of cheese of your favorite kind, and it's very good. You can bet on that. The etymology of the word sandwich is crazy. One thing that's not good on a sandwich, ironically enough, is sand. Also not good on a sandwich would be a witch. I am firmly on the camp that a hot dog is not a sandwich. First of all, the bun is joined at the bottom, and the way it is normally eaten is not in the sandwich style where the bread type device is on the bottom and the top. Now, the hard part is if you use a hamburger bun on the bottom and you put classic sandwich ingredients in the middle. There is a little bit of inconsistency when it comes to the categorization of a sandwich. And I do believe there is some crossover, and the crossover is where the debate begins and ends. You know what a hot dog is. Because the corn dog is powerful enough to be called a corn dog despite having a hot dog in its center. So I don't want any fingers in my sandwich. Provide some more insight into the sandwich debacle. Enter Subway, the entire restaurant, into the arena of the sandwich battle, or Quiznos, or anything like that. And the same goes with a sandwich. So it gets real hairy if you decide you're going to have 2 proteins on a sandwich.